Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and right now it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video. And actually, right now it's all morning over here. So I was coming from the other side, and I wanna give thanks to God. Let's go this way, and I hope each and everybody you are doing well. Also, likewise to me. And on these videos I'm going to meet with my family. That's my mom and my brother. And actually today we are going to prepare my brother to see how we can get the shopping for the school. And as I told you yesterday on my video, I get the information from my brother. He's supposed to go in Nairobi, but in the evening time the coach were being changed the school, so my brother is supposed to go in Kisii town. After there, from Kisii town, it's a distance, the school known as Sameta High School. It's a boys school, and I'll go today. I think I'll talk with the coaches so to see the performance of that school. And I know in Kisii County that school it's performed very nice. So but my work is to go and approve it, and always as I said earlier, at this moment no pay school fees for my brother. And that being said is he gets free scholarship. So the only work that I'm going to do is to make shopping from here, buying metal box, mattress, 2 blankets, and also some school shoes. And I think the only thing that I'm going to remain with, it's only boots for the football, and also let me say I don't know about maybe these small things like soap, jelly. I'll see maybe if I can manage my budget, whether I can buy those stuff. So that's how the view from this side it looks like. And I just came and greet one of my friends down there, so I decided to shoot my video from here as I go back home. And my brother, he has no any clue, no idea what's going on, but I'm going to sharpen him. I need one day to see my family being successful. So to being success, my family, I suppose to go hard on my dream. Like today, man. Imagine. Just wake up early in the morning, plan my stuff here and there, and also it's good. I don't want maybe to see them one day complaining, oh my brother, you are outside here with my mom just watching me instead of helping me to go to school. You see those kind of scenario, I'm trying to avoid it. And also at this moment we want to give God thanks. We want to give thanks to God. We're so blessed, especially my family. We're so blessed. Reason number one I'm saying so blessed. I personally, I was thinking, how am I going to pay the school fees for my brother who studied in university, and also paying the school fees my brother who going to join secondary school. It could be more difficult, and it reach a point where both of them they are on a high classes, on a high level. Whether you like it or not, you're supposed to pay the school fees. But again, God is good. God is good. God is good. I sharpened my young brother when he joining the football, and it reached a point where even I take him from Nyabuhansi village to another village. Sometime it's raining, and it gets us raining on the way. Like me, I never give up. What I said, let me sacrifice myself no matter what's happened to me. When I see my brother study and settle in school, I'll be free. And also maybe come and think how I'll start pushing my mom's house. So guys, please, if you want to support on my brothers, the remaining things that are left behind, you want to support, guys. I think the most important was the football boots, and also school uniform. You will see what I'm going to indicate here. is to buy the metal box, blankets, and also school shoes, and maybe some 2 bar of soap, and also jelly to apply on the body. Only that, because even me, I was trying my best to get that money. So the only thing remaining there, it's 14,000 Kenyan shillings for the school uniform. That's 2 pair, and also 4,000 for the boots for the playing football. Only those, you know. When I calculate, it gives you around roughly 18,000 Kenyan shillings. That's around I think $150 there, $150 to $160 to complete my mission, you know. So look, this house will stay here for the long time, you know. Even some stuff are looking bush, can see from other side here, look, you know. let's go. So, and now let me check the time, because you know me, I'm just working with the time, you know. I don't want to do overworking, I just work with time. Let me unlock my phone, and you see it's around 10:01 a.m. Today's on Saturday, date 10 on January. You know, every step that I'm doing concerning to my brother's school, like shopping school, I'm shooting the video. Somebody's calling me, guys. Hello. Hey.
Acha Mungu, nilikuwa nahitaji zile mbao. Yaani kuna emergency hilo.
Fadela.
Acha Mungu, sikudanganya. Hata ukija sasa tutaangalia.
Sasa.
Keki yangu alitengeneza vibaya, imebidi tena nimeibomoa yote. Sasa sina mbao za kutengeneza kuwekea zile pillars.
Sasa. Mbao kama ngapi, Fadela?
Mbao kama 8.
Sasa mimi nataka nikimbia kwanza nifanyie ndugu yangu shopping. Uko hapo nyumbani?
Mimi niko hapo nyumbani.
Suje basi tupandishe vijuu, niko hapa Nyaba, hata na film video unaweza
Superman power ni ekipa moja, nitakuja niwacheka kitu tafadhali.
Acha niende nimuone, hata alikuwa na mashida fulani. Ngoja niende nimuone. Mbao 8. Ngoja tuweke 10, si ndio?
Sawa.
Ndefu.
Hizo ndefu ndio zitapiga ile pillars vizuri.
Aya. So guys, that's one of my friend, and he need the timbers for, you know, for the project. You know, sometimes it's good support each other. So guys, I said every video that I do concerning to the process of taking my brother to the school, I show him the time. One day when there will be more successful man, I will show him like, hey, come and sit down. I click this video, I show him. So let's go, and I hope you enjoy these videos to the end, and make sure you leave the sweet comments on the comment section below, and all comments I'll go through, whether it's negative or positive, I don't care. As long as you watch my videos, I'm ready to go. And also guys, all my videos are positivity, and I thank you each and everybody who come toward my channel, watch my video. I think from my latest video, that's I think on my Thursday video that I shoot on Thursday, guys, 100% you did an amazing job, and my God bless you. I get almost 933 views, and for my yesterday's videos, it's performing well. Thank you so much. If you continue with that spirit, I'm ready to go, and I have a long way to go, guys. So watch my videos every day, and hit that notification bell in case I upload a new videos. You can get a notification, and you watch video after video. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah. So this is your son Hello Baby official. I'm heading home like that. That's the maze come right here. So let's go, guys. Let's go and see. Do some chicken here. Let's go and see. We have the borehole right here. This is a water tank tower right there. Okay, I'm heading straight, going back home. I think I'll pass there. Yeah? Sina. Niko na cash. Si ufike kwa Matiko hapa.
Matiko hayuko.
Ah. Yeah. So that's how the bus looks like, guys. You know. I think I should go this way. And the reason number one, our village are well developed. You can see even that building right there. One day, I'll take you shopping on that building when it's completed. Wow. Guys, I'm very, very happy. I'm very happy, you know. Look, even I'll stand here and show you. You see, I'm a super fantastic work. And if you have this building here, you know, it promotes our center, or it promotes our village, you know. Enhance the village to the world. And like on my side, I'm trying to avoid dramas, guys, you know. Babu! Baby! You okay na banto man? Okay. You know, imagine it's a long project, man. It's a massive project on this side. Look. And they were being building by the machine cuts and also limestone stones. Friday. You see? You can like, you wanna zoom from a distance. Look. So we have two different way of the materials there. You have machine cuts, limestones right there. They're more expensive, you know. Yeah, man. Let's go and enjoy. So guys, I'm heading home and I have my bike here. Let's go. I'm outside, you know, to chase my dream day by day, man. Let's go. So this is our school here where my brother performed well. He performed very well. There's a church right there. Guys, I wanna say sorry for too much windy. But at least, you see how things go. Dodge. Yeah. Hey. So guys, imagine by driving, it's 1 minute from Nyabuhanza Center. And when I reach here from here up to home, it's only 2 minutes. So that's 3 minutes from home up to Nyabuhanza. Damn, come on. Right? So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next vlog, guys. I have already arrived with my baby. I'm just parked there. So today I'm matching with blue. My jacket's blue. Look, my shorts, my motorbike. I don't know, even my face will change to blue. I don't mind. Also, our toilet from a distance, it's painting blue. You see from a distance right there. You see? So I want to ask my brother what's going on, because me, I'm ready. I'm going to do what I can do for him, and I'm going to do what I can, you know, on my side. You see? Blue is the color, always. Look, right there, even the door. I told you, even the paint here, it's blue. Look, matching. Huh? Right. This is my first project ever, you know. So let me say hello to my mom.
Mleta bibi.
Apelekea nyonyi akweke.
Mleta bibi.
Pelekea nyonyi akweke ndani. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Mama, hii bagi hapa juu usifue na brush. Inapasuka hapa, ni kupanguza tu mpaka hapo. This is my sister's school bag right here. Kwani akona hii mama? Sasa kuna bagi mbili. This is the normal activity for my mama every day. Tatigana na wewe utakuonekana. Tena na utakuonekana. All right, bro. Say hello. You seems you wake up right now.
Yeah.
What's happened? Look your face. What's happened? You have some stress?
No.
So today you're going for the shopping, and at least I have something small. Come on this side here. I have something small that I want to do for you, you know. So I want to go in Border Town. We buy a metal box, mattress, 2 blankets, and school shoes. So the only thing that I'm lacking, or the only thing that I'm missing here, it's only, come this side. The only thing that I'm missing, guys, to complete my mission is the money for the, I think 14,000 for the school uniform, and also 4,000 for the boots, because you are a footballer. You need to have a brand new boots, the original one.
Yeah.
Forget about the fake one that I bought for you. You play like I think 3 to 4 months, and then it gets bust. It gets spoiled, guys. Even I'll show you on my video. I think there's a day show up, so you can go and show people those shoes. Yeah.
Uniform.
Huh?
Uniform.
The uniform?
16,000.
16,000. Really? Oh, so Nairobi was 14,000. Now the school that we have been changed to, the school uniform was 16,000. Guys, me you heard from my brother, because let's put the remaining shopping to be $200. That's 20,000, you know. So the remaining maybe extra change I will use as a transport from the village here to Kisii Town, and then from Kisii Town I take another, man, it's a long distance, you know. So you said 16,000 school uniform, because I see after buying 2 pair of school uniform, you have the sweater. Yeah. I have sweater, and then you have the coat.
Yeah, we call it the wood.
You call it the
wood?
Wood?
Yeah.
I see even the coat, bro.
Yeah.
You know the coat?
Yeah.
Apart from the wood, you have the coat. Hey. What about you know, academic? Because I want to go and ask your coaches, and I'm insisting this. You're supposed, you know, like if you perform well, you're supposed to go in a good school, all right? And I know Samet is a high school. You know, it's a nice school, by the way.
By the way, I'm supposed to go to take calling letter.
For Sameta?
Yeah. Late now.
Okay, you go right now?
Yeah, it's supposed to be fulfilled by the head teacher of primary school and the chief.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because on Tuesday we're leaving home. So it's only on today, Sunday, the people are not working, Monday. So we have only today, and we skip Sunday, Monday. On Tuesday morning, our journey.
Yeah.
All right. So what do you think about the shopping?
We'll just pass the it is just an easy thing.
Okay, let me see manpower.
Yeah.
Because there is one friend of mine by the name Fadela. He wants to come and pick some timbers because he was running the project. So I want to see manpower, and then from manpower I'll come. Just wash the face. I'll come right now. Jesus Christ. Woohoo! Come on. Okay. Guys, me, I was thinking the school, the same, the price of the school uniform. I know in Nairobi, they were being, Nkebai! I think Nairobi, the school uniform was going around 14,000. But you know, when the school is bigger, even the price of the school uniform goes high. So that's 16,000 plus 4,000 of the boots. It could bring 20,000. And maybe transport from here up to Kisii, me and my brother, it would cost let me say 1,000, and from there to there it's 500. You know, that's 3,000 going and coming back. But coming alone, it will cost me 1,000. So that's around 2,500. Man, this is crazy. So guys, I'm going to see manpower. I don't want to shoot this video to be more longer. Go around my village. No, even this is my brother's project, but he go to school, and we stock their maize, because that maize that you see there is for the payment of the school fees for my brother. And also this, we are still waiting them to harvest. Let's go and see this. And baby. I walk, man. When I'm around the village, forget about the motorbike. Here we have already harvested the maize. The only thing remaining here is to prepare the land, and we plant. The maize corn again. You see, you know, we have the fertile land. This case right here for manpower. Hey, Ulolo. I don't think if I find manpower. Waiter, Amanda. Ay manpower again, ma'am. Yeah. And guys, this is my sister's school uniform. So anyway, Bruno, good morning. Happy New Year, my dog. Alright guys, so I think right now I found manpower. So they're supposed to get the timbers before I leave home, you know. So any time from now the tuk-tuk will come. Zoning guy.
Ni tatu, nne.
These are pillars too.
Pillars, yeah. This one.
Weka hiyo moja.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Arudisha hii ndogo. Lata lingero keroro. Turusha ro. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. That's 5. So Muito, you are remaining with 5. Hila tano. Tano chitame.
So I take this one.
Take this. Machi. Pole. Chukua hizi zimeshikana.
Pia hii imeshikana.
Hizo ni 3 zimeshikana ama ni nini?
Hii ndio. Hizi sasa hazieleweki.
Chukua hizi. Zenye umekanyaga. Yeah, peleka hiyo.
Shika hapo basi.
Uko kazi unaona.
Help me.
No.
You know everybody have their support.
Do quick and fast. Nata kunyori hano. That's 5, 6, 7. Take. Kwa mambo 10. Careful. That's 7, all right? Bado 3. Remainder 3. So I think you take that.
Yeah.
Or what do you think this? Hii imeshikana vibaya. Chukua hiyo.
That let me tell you.
Temkero.
You can bring the hammer. I know that one.
Achana na mambo na hama. Hizi ni mbao nyingi ziko hapa. Peleka hizi. That's 9. That's 9. Moja.
Yeah.
So hanga karuli ingiri heo kale. So rudisha hizi vizuri zipange, chukua kale kamoja umpeleke. Hapa rudisha hapa. Kuna nyume rudisha ile ndefu. Taringe maharo no hayo. Mawi mukirino ro hands. Maharo. No.
Yamba angechino kwa.
Ndo nukulingi mukirino ro hands. Check that. Yeah. That's the end of the story. Asika side. Man, P, close the site.
I'm saying hi to the guys. I have no story. I don't know the story.
You're a musician. Close the gate.
I'm a comedian.
Comedian.
Yeah, but
All right. So guys, anytime from now, you wanna see Fadela come and pick the timbers, and then I left home for the shopping. You know. Right. Okay.
mkire.
Kana tusekera ndani, hugusika kwa. Ona muita. Tupitisha nyororo ufungie ndani. Ungefungia ndani. Kuna wanapitisha hii hivi fungie ndani. Wewe toka, njoo ndani.
Unafungia? Nataka unifungia hapa ndani.
Close the gate.
Yeah.
Aya.
Seal bros.
Sukuma gate kwenda nje. Sukuma kabisa ifike mwisho mwisho. Okay. So guys, when Fadel will be around here, I'll show you the tuk-tuk. Guys, I'm telling you, I have the KK. Sasa hapo utapia kuona kwenda wapi humo ndani? Si ni mbao 10 alisema. Bora. Daniel. Right now they are putting maize here. Muita! Ural! Oi. Fadel. Wewe amekwambia ufuate mbao. Yuko wapi? Yeah. Yuko wapi Fadel?
Mwacha kwa hoteli kwa mama, ite mikao.
Si ni pillars mbili za gate anaenda kuweka tu.
Ameniambia tu nipatie mbao.
Ameniambia mbao 10.
Oh.
Yes.
Kama mlielewana ni tena acha niende nazo. Mani muulize.
Ni 10 mrali nipigia simu. Sasa mimi ningekuwa kichani tu. Labda tutamuongeza mbao moja. Sije zipungwe ziko 10. Choni chiko teni toa kwa kaju. Sheke ni aje. Fish.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's still morning, man. Yeah. Let me check the time. It's still morning.
Good morning, man.
Yeah, it's 11:27.
Okay, good afternoon, man.
Happy New Year, bro. You good?
You say wait to ya. Akere mujo kulo.
Karolo check.
Yeah.
Na maraka performance.
Walibia. Plus nyankori itashinda mpaka zishinda taranganya.
Hakuna shule zenye haziibi sai.
Power yake.
Why? So guys, it's time to be here. Ongendi ngora.
Ina mashari. Tacho ni bigi.
I want to make some exercise when I come back home. At least I can walk. Life on the tuk-tuk. Ni tuk-tuk.
Muziko.
Wait.
So guys, stop and stop man.
Simama sasa.
This man power.
Take care.
I'm carrying.
Niweke simu kwa mfuko wako.
Yeah, but of course.
Mshike simu.
Tatora kwa
Drive,
mfuko. Weka kwa mfuko mbona.
Don't drive.
Witaka simu yangu kwa mfuko.
Roughly.
Unajua ni ofisi yangu. Eh. Hey. Acha nikae. Ngoja kwanza nitakwambia haya. It's time to go.
Kanisa hata majani.
Eating the sugar cane. This sugar cane is bringing the nguvu.
Okay. You know the reason why I don't ride the bike? When I come back, the men kufanya mazoezi.
You can make an exercise.
Yes.
From your
walk
house
to my home. Yeah, man. Live in the KK. Hey guys, this is my home village. Yani tukutupia kuza kuihano gereta hano.
Una makuwege. Rako ende rako suiha.
Yeah.
Rako suiha randako.
So umeenda namba 12, si ndio?
I think so.
You don't think so. You go with 12 timbers.
Yeah.
See the people on the back. You must put the music here.
The music?
Yeah.
The music is for old people, not young people like
We put
me.
the music here.
Old people like
Jamrock. Reggae. Reggae of the building.
Reggae from Jamaica. Lucky Dogo.
Oh, you have a sharp corner here.
Tinga hii inaona ndogo. Mimi unajua mimi na drive tinga. So if I sit here I feel comfortable. So I feel comfortable.
Yeah. Baba. Ada nimetekera munyar msiguru ati. Na rudi nisubali game. Okay. Nisubali game mbona bado kuna ngono umwene.
Ukite toka mbie.
Look, the people are banging. Even me guys. Right there. Okay.
We are on the way reaching Nyamuhanga.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, you can see. Very soon I'm opening my channel.
So, what's okay school? I'm not running it like you. I'm telling that story. Why go and let's see on Fadela Stevie home, man.
Allow that person.
So guys, we have already arrived and we're gonna check Fadela on this point here. Emoba, mambo fresh. Come and confirm the mzigo.
Hello, baby. Nande. Now, I still have come like a soldier.
We are working like ninja here.
Yeah, ninja, you know this trouser. I have come to stroke of
See, this is sawa ama you have problem with him.
the heart. Eh, no, no.
Ah? Ziko 12. Sikuna zimeshikwa double. Sisi kosa ni pillars.
Pillars. Imagine the two pillars in.
Aye.
Yes, guys, my name is Fadela TV. Welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. I'm here. I did the gate there, but the people who did for me, they did not did very well.
I imagine, and then they waste your material like
Decided
cement.
to demolish it and start again.
Oh, you squeeze?
Yeah, I want to squeeze it from here. It cannot open itself. So I want to squeeze and then I put the concrete. We put it a day because I want to put there some materials. And we tried to open the gate to not open itself.
Yeah. You know the person who did like that. Don't give him any job. Mtu akifanya hivi, simpe kazi.
Sagati.
So maybe Fadela, this video for another day. I'll come for the tour. All right? That's a good tour. And then a mob.
Brother to nation. Yeah.
It's a belt. Haya. Piga kazi, weke geti vizuri. Alright guys, it's time to go back in Border Town, me and my brother. So I'm still waiting him. Yeah! I see my mama right there. You know, hey, that's too much from the cock, but it shows you that's the blessing, man. Hey, look at that bike. What's up? Boys are outside. Bahangero baba chengere. Sasa nivi waende hivi wazunguke. You know there's some people passing here with illegal stuff. Oi. Sasa sisi wacha tuende na Mweta. Lakini pesa guys, may we have here my mom. We only missing we only like the school uniform and na viatu njumu. Yes, something mama, we only like school uniform and also football boots. Hey, this axe here. Serious hardworking mom. Hiya. So tia bai dotu.
Atake unyunga kunyonga tezu yari chokutoka.
One way. Ngwa kulichoki.
Paru. Ayubulio raiganka ngaimuku yaisi bantu nyabo hansi chebuchanda.
Igale acha kule hata lunch sasa ndo anakuja. So guys, welcome to Border Town. I'm here with my brother. Maybe this side here. Heading this way. You know. Today's today. Tomorrow's another day. Let's go. From that side. We're by the outside, man. It's Border Town for you. You know guys, my situation, 100% I'm a parent for my young sibling, you know. Anyway, let's go. So what should I do? Socorro! Socorro! That's how I call some boda. So they need to type our shopping. You know, anyway. You remember? Oh, there's some shoes there. We're gonna buy, alright? Yeah, man. So guys, we are in border town, and this is the border town for you. 100%. People are outside making shopping, you know. Crazy. I have no idea. Oh my god. I think I should pass you. Igoro. So be on the bike. Okay guys, I'm on the motorbike. This is border town for you, you know. Crazy. See, things are super nice on this side here. Oh my god. Audi baby, this is an Audi. Moja kwa moja. Alright. You know guys, I have a lot of friends here. Right. You know me, on Tuesday I'll take you to school like this. Me, I don't care, man. 100%. I don't care. People are outside making shopping for school. And hey, we should see the color of the basin, plate. You know, eating comes first.
Yeah.
Yes, basin and the bed sheet. Oh, what is this? Okay. Vipi hali? Bana mnabuna. Guys, we stuck here because of these two cars right here. You know, we need to go slowly. Pole. Wait, Koroche. No. So guys, now it's too much chaotic. Tupigie Roma, nani yule mwana naye shule moja kusomea.
Hello.
Manyara.
Unasemaje?
Unasema hivi.
Beni wetu.
Of the metal box right here. Okay.
Sasa hivi niko busy, niko bored. Unatakaje?
Bora mwambie hivi ampigie. Twende.
Hebu enda kwa group uko namba yake, sawa? Yo ya nani ya Top Talent.
It's even right here. Ma, kwa hii kona hapo, penye hiyo lori iko. Okay. Hey. So guys, I'm gonna show you something that I want to do. I don't know which shop. Whether you like it or not, African stories. I think here. Am I not try? Manyacho nimekuja leo. Okay, kama kawaida. Okay guys. Nigabarare.
Ano mo nigabarare mo?
Baturi simbaro hanyo. Got some metal box here. These are heavy. We have lighter. Okay. So let's see these people. What's happening here? Ni hapa?
Hebu subiri hivi, lazima nikusomee. Usikate sawa.
Okay guys. Sokoro. Sasa utafute nani? Anaitwa nani? Utafute mwenye mnene na shule moja kusomea nini tununue shuka kimoja. Si na ule jamaa wa Mabera. Ule jamaa wa Mabera.
Ndani namba yao.
Sasa kwa acho nkoro. Ay mama nge mattress.
Mattress.
Ne box. Bora achana na huyo mlu. Oh.
20. Yeah. 39.
Akasi kale kadogo.
39.
Ulipange elfu ngapi?
Nilipaga hii. Nilipaga hii. Ilibaki 200.
Total amount ulipanga ngapi?
5000. Kabaki 200.
Ulipa nini na nini?
Sanduku, godero, blanketi 2. Sanduku ukupunguza.
Godoro 1000. Ya.
Silibaki 200.
200. Hii blanketi 2.
Ayo.
Sanduku.
Hapo si kale kadogo.
Kadogo kabisa ni hapa.
Hiyo unajua ataka naye miaka 3.
Urudi nao kutoka shuleni ile. Sawa? Usiwache huko shuleni.
Sasa sipoileta hakuji nyumbani.
Akae huko kwa hiyo.
Hey. Oh, pole.
Mimi nimechoka hii kupika nini?
Tarike saiba hano eruru sibinto biyo bongo ni gati. Choose the blanket, bro. Sijuseme. Na utakuja ya harama.
Kwa ina. Aya, kwa hiyo.
Ilikuwa
Weka ndani. Hadi mitu gadia na Yesu.
kana mbane ile ingine ilikuwa ni huku. Ndio nataka niulizeni John kara gani, hataki kuniambia huyu. Sasa unaona mama anakutolea shule.
Karibu.
Mama, ile yenye huku iko wapi? Aye.
Zunguka hivi bwana.
Okay. I don't know, ilienda. Twende uandikiwe jina. Si hapo. Ona, weka hii mattress hapa na blanketi twende uandikiwe jina. Bado vitu vingi. Wapi hapo? Weka hapo. Sawa. Toa blanket tuweke hapo. Wendo andikiwe jina. Ha? Haina shida. Acha andike jina.
Weka hapa jini, weka hapa.
Akili sanduku linipa ya kwanza na huku. Niliuza.
Wewe subiria. Njoo wewe ni mrefu. Vuta hii box.
Ilikuwa na huku.
Vuta hiyo box nyingine.
Tena hivi kore.
Ingia ndani.
Yeye ni mrefu. Mauzo andike nyumba kanya bomu.
Mimi nimekopi.
Ile tibuer.
Yerno.
Yeah.
Yerno.
Haya, umtebiri nandi Samuel Mwiza.
Karingi.
Haina shida. Mimi naenda na wewe nikikifia kurucha na njukia kwa sababu kwa cyber.
Kwa sababu. Tena ni open kuruhusu.
Inaitwa nini?
Hii skuri open.
Sasa inaitwaje?
School.
Calling lab. Okay. So guys, I'm on computer room and I want to have the calling letter. Najua kitu imeleta ni kunao hiyo nani bed sheet na basin. Nijua ni rangi gani. The requirement. Ninga. Nimeambiwa mimi 100. Haya, asante. Okay. So I decided to have the school calling letter to see what are needed. So guys, in case you are new here, this is where my brother joined, Sameta High School. You know, they're found in Kisii. Yeah, man. So we are going to Borata and then we see some equipment that I want to buy. And also, you see this junior secondary school? Yeah, man. Please get to your junior school's head of institution. Things like that. You know, they have a lot of things here. Maybe. I will share with you maybe later, guys. Okay, guys. Now, I'm walking here. I'm holding the papers here that are indicates some lists that are needed here, especially you want to know the color of bed sheets, if they needed mosquito nets, basin, plates, and everything. Let's see. Modosi. I don't know. Have a lot of mattress down here. I'm telling you right now, it's a serious business. Oh, boy, I'm telling you, man, I get confused. Okay. Kaya ande kamar. Sana gas. Make sure guys you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. This is the best moment. You're gonna subscribe, alright? Okay. Bro.
Nikupe ingine hapa leo ama?
Tulinunua kitambo.
Mbona mliwahi sana?
Niliwahi mapema.
Mliiba ndio.
Haya. Sasa najua mmepandisha bei. Haya. Tayari? Karena to na rondi hendira ember. Na randi ruling. Ndore. Confirm. Aya, angalia kitu yenye inahitajika hapa.
Ngokole bino kwangu sile bag yora kwa.
School bag is not a must.
Kwa tana cruise.
Ga? Same toa. So confirm. Bed sheet color, basin, plates, cup.
Light green.
Yeah? Light green. And you see the shoes? Butter. What next? 3 inches mattress.
Slippers.
Inchi tatu mattress ni gani? Ni hii. Okay, here.
Metal.
Let me see. Plates, spoon, and what's this? Mug for meal. I think, alright.
For methods.
A pair of slippers, toothbrush, toothpaste, tissue, soap, and detergent for bathing and laundry. A pair of rubber shoes for games. That one we cancel out. Already, we're going to have, alright, we shall see.
4x6.
A pair of blankets. It means 1 pair. Alright? You not ahead of the saw. So 1 pair we give to my cousin. Okay? Sometimes it's good to share. So I bought 2 pair of blankets. Let's see. Where? You see here. Bible. A small book or diary. 2 spring files. I will buy files and golden. Here it's written. I don't know. You have a lot of things. Basin for washing and bathing. So mattress supposed to be 3 inches. But I will talk. Wamesema 3 inches. Inchi tatu ni gani hii?
Ni.
Hii. Sio ile. Ngoja alio ile.
Nasema hii hapa.
Wakinirudisha nitarudi nayo. So I will talk. You know. Bed sheets.
Sasa wewe kuandika mbona hajakuja?
Nipe 2 ama 1. Angalia vile wameandika.
Nakuwa ni moja baki 2 ndani.
Juu hata kuna mwingine huko nyumbani. Amebahatika nitampa blanketi moja. So this is the bed sheet.
Rangi kipara na hapa reni mtinda para wote.
Hapa reni.
Ile blanket.
So let's go. Hata hii tunalipia. Tuacha kuja tupate pamoja. Tunaenda hapo. Sasa nishinga.
Yule mama utanitoa ingine.
Blanketi, nilipatia yule mama.
Hizo zilikuwa hapo.
Jesus Christ.
Aya, ni shilingi ngapi bed sheet?
Inakuwa 550,
2. Maana leo umekaza kamba hivi.
Hata ni nini nikufungie?
Hata sitanunua viatu.
Hata nikufungie mama.
Bado viatu. Bado. Sasa utakuja baadaye. I'm too block. Inakuwa 450.
500.
Nyachoya, wacha mambo yako, nipe change. Kana hivi ufanye nitoroke.
Unataka kwenda wapi kana?
Si nitahamia kwa Mama Samia.
Haya. Ukiona unataka na hilo lidu.
Haya. Nini imebaki?
Samia sasa hivi nafikiri yuko.
Tunaona besheni ndara bado. Unaona bagi? Bagi tutaikujua wakati tunakuja kununua.
Wapi kamba?
Hizo vitu ndogo ndogo. Mama kuandika jina hayuko.
Huyu amegoma.
Hebu
niite mwingine akuandikie. Ni kama kila mtu sasa hivi yuko heka za shule.
Okay. So guys, it's raining, see, and we get inside here. Aya. Come on. Fish. Hao watu wako kuandika wameringa leo. Aya, funika. Yeah. Etere. Funika sanduku. No. About the padlock, maybe on Monday when you came for the small shopping. No problem. Onaranya tabutur kuyatika. Wiki tumuringiri mbakeyo.
Max na rengar na. 49.
Kana kono atonyi kufuri. Mali ngumu owore nkongwera.
Ngizin kurigiro. Icho bada brother.
Usaenda? Yeah. Iyo dereva isiki.
Kono namba.
Wewe nenda mrota kwigo. Tukutuna mwana hivi bisuguti. Original. Komere mone. Komere monde. Aya nenda ate. Ayo. Oyo antena rangi 500 ndanyoro na rangi gekwe. Chemu gore gotero. Bisana kuramu kwa bendo ndazende teri hakwa rangi.
Maha. Iyo ni yae.
Entamanya kin kama ya muisenyi. Nante no ari mukimu isenyo tama.
Yendera musel kwa ne hahira.
Gulia kana bana ni school. Tapa hatu. So guys, that's big shopping. No, maybe here we'll get the thumbnail. Tad? Oi. Ono na yekar kupigi endero talinga nyuma pa ukastare zako.
Sasa ni hizi tu.
Ni hizo tu. Hizo zingine nitakuja Monday. Tutaya. Werema. No mara tunyori. Madam Nyachoya. Habari, I'm good ma. Aya. Twende. Kana madam na wanyigiri Kiswahili. So guys, it's time to go back. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. And the good thing, I bought those stuff from my former primary teacher. Okay. This charcoal here. So we're remaining with shoes.
Yeah.
And then from the shoes, other things like belts. Not now. Mama mshipi utaomba ngapi? I don't know. That one will come on Monday. Right? Okay, let's go this way. So guys, that's my brother for you. He was the one who pushed me to come in Boratan and do shopping. Without him, I could sit somewhere else. So you know, like the shoes, you can't choose the shoes which fit you exactly. We got an allowance. Hey, hi. Okay guys, we shall see you in the shop buying shoes. Once more again, welcome to Bata Shoes, original one. Amani merudi.
Karibu sana pia.
Rudani imeenda.
Hamna,
Ah.
nawaaminia.
Haya.
Ulichukua the other time you just took the price. It didn't fit.
2,899.
That was the price. About the size, he has to fit now. Yes.
Haya, pima basi viatu. Hata kwa shule yao imeandikwa bata.
Umechoka?
Sana.
Last time you were complaining of fatigue.
Hii ni ndogo kwake. Unaona kama yule msichana mnao viatu yule mdogo zimekuwa ndogo. So inabidi nikinunua na nunua kubwa.
Hii ni ndogo. Number 42.
Si 43.
Wacha tuone 43.
Ama size zako hazijua. Hii ni ndogo.
Lambo na socks.
Nipatie 43. Sasa kama ya yule ukikuja hapa nitanunua kubwa.
Si yule tulimpa namba kubwa.
Dadangu. Kamekuwa kadogo kana mfinyo. Sasa kako hapo tu. Guys, I'm telling this is a brand new. Original.
Hawa ndio wenyewe.
Ndio sisi.
Ndio wao.
Finya vidoro usikie mbele.
Sasa hiyo utaruka after 3 years.
Hii. Ama upeo 44. Mama mtu mguu yake ni kubwa. Usije kucomplain hivi. Ukicomplain hivi viatu vimekuwa ndogo enda kwa mama. Mimi nimekuambia.
Unaona 44 itakuwa kubwa ndio, lakini hapa itajikunja hapa.
Yaani 43 kubwa.
Haya.
Ama ni 43 ndogo.
43.
Shingapi mama?
Polish ni 300.
Iko leo
299. Kampigo.
Ngoja kwanza nikulipie viatu.
Okay, turudishe.
Tuone vile.
Nikiona naona madola.
Dola hakuna sasa hivi. No money. Inabaki one box.
Nakupa karata na pack.
Sasa rangi mama siwe 200. Mimi ukweli nimeumia, hela zimebaki hizo tu kwa mfuko.
Mungu amekujalia.
Pesa ungeola.
Okay, alright.
Na hiyo ni orao tumera. Hiyo ndio utakuwa unatumia hadi siku yenye unatoka shule. Ipaki ile maji tapasuka. Na ndaru unauzaje? Ndara.
Anahitaji moja. Anahitaji slippers.
Nitakuja nikuje.
Anaenda lini?
Anaenda Jumanne.
Unajua ukisema unakuja utakuja.
Si hadi brush unauzaje?
But naisha.
Sio kesho utafungua Monday.
Yeah, wakiwa nazo niliweka request na wakaniambia bado.
Oh.
That is 700. You need one.
Haya.
Sawa.
Sawa, asante.
Thank you so much.
Haya. Okay guys, I left the shop. And where am I going? So that's original.
Yeah.
Another shoes, the pair of shoes you gave my cousin, dad. Yeah. And also one blanket. Yeah. So I'm trying to deal with how I can get money for the school uniform. Yours and my cousin, all right? So let's go guys, see you home. Ron is drinking soup and also some milk. You see right there? You know African dogs are very crazy. I put the meat inside here, but the dog puts down. This is crazy. Look. Okay, it's your own business. The way you like it. So guys, I'm heading on the top of the rental of my mom's house. Mom, okay, no. I was speaking to my mom, but let me put my phone here, right here, because I'll come later and pick from there. Anyway, guys, even look, right now the grass have started grew in this house. I need to be very careful you know. So or else this house will looking bushy. This is the goat that was slaughtered at my party, and then the skin left here. Anyway, the house so spacious for my mom, and I'm going on top there because I have the paper here. I'm gonna share with you, and then I end my video for today. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. I don't know how it come here, but I must be sit carefully. Okay, guys, I'm from the border town, so I just came home. I get a rest like 1 hour, so it's time to end my video. And this is the school where my brother have been calling or to join, Sameta High School. You know, it's a boys' school. Reason number one, I don't want to take my brother to a mixed school. When I said a mixed, I mean girls and boys. You know, sometime we go there, we study, but again, you know, we can go there as a, you know, girlfriend, boyfriend, things like that. But it pushed me. I thank God on this case. My brother, he joined a high school. You know, both of them, they joined a high school. Even the guy, the brother who studied in university, they gained the high school in Homa Bay County. You know, and also my brother go to Kisii County. So guys, it's time to share with you. Outside here, you know, there's no need to eat to ready for you. Let me come here. You see, guys, I'm telling you, this fee structure 2026, right? Family installments. Gaza. Yeah. So I'm greeting that guy with the bike right there. So guys, this fee structure right here, 2026 family installments. So this time one, they paid 22,000, I think 20,270. Term 2, 12,168. Term 3, 8,105. You're gonna see, guys, 20,270 Kenyan shillings. 12,160 Kenyan shillings. 8,105 Kenyan shillings. So the total fees, you're gonna see right here, it will bring 54,935. So because you know, or maybe there's some stuff that I indicate here, like, let me read it for you. Repair, maintenance and improvements, infrastructure development, curricular activities, medical and insurance, SMS, I don't know, maybe that one. No. Yeah, some meals you see right there, right here. Other votes head, you know, like all those they are indicated. I think you know, there it bring the fee of you know, 54,000. That's apart from this. You know, this one government stand for, you know, like things like that. You see here, I don't know, government pay this and the parents supposed to pay this. If you take 40 plus 14, it will bring 54. Okay, they indicate there. You know, this is for official use only, admission, stream and dorm. So this one belonged to my brother, and I told you, imagine every year I supposed to pay 54,935. But a simple question is, About the school fees, that one we are out, me and my family. So simply because my brother gets free scholarship. So about school fees, we are not stressed. The only thing that we are doing here is to make shopping for my brother. And it's my evidence from this video since morning. You're gonna see. So I'm going to share with you what I remain with, and then we go ahead. So guys, get me clear. Apart from school fees, guys, that one we cancel because my brother, he gets free scholarship. That one I'm ready to go. Okay, so let's come to the next to the next part. No, here they are not needed. So admission will start around 8 and will stop around 10. So I'm supposed to wake up in the morning from the village here. I think my journey will start around it's very crazy. I'll put the gas. I'll start my journey at 2 a.m. in the morning, midnight I think, but it's morning for me. That's when I'll start my journey from here, and we'll see the video, guys. When it reach in terms of education, I can't joke, guys. So 100% gonna share with you some stuff that you have messed up or missed up. So this some you know, yeah, my brother, they're eating good. School diet consists white porridge, ugali, maize, beans, kales, bread, meat, rice. No special meat to any students by the school. Yeah, of course. So guys, the only thing that I'm like here, let me see for you. We bought mattress. We bought metal box. I bought shoes. I bought 2 blankets. I bought 2 bed sheets. So the only thing that we like here, because they're indicated here, 2 blankets, 2 bed sheets, must be light green in color. So I didn't bought for him some packet of towel. 2 triangular padlock I never bought. So a pair of black. Okay, we bought shoes already. So the only thing that is remaining here, I didn't bought for him towel. Towel, padlock, pair of rubber shoes for games, soap, and detergents for bathing and laundry, toothbrush and toothpaste, tissue paper, a pair of slippers, plate, spoon, mug for meal, and also basin for washing and bathing. And also let's see the school uniform, the price, you know. So that one, like the most important one, is to buy, like when I get the money, I'll buy the school uniform, and also the boots for the, you know, football. So let's see what I'm missing here. It's school uniform, the price. Let's check. Just a minute, guys. So guys, I'm going to end my videos, but I didn't see the price of the school uniform. But actually, my brother talked with the, you know, with the coach. So he told him the uniform price will go to 16,000. So I told you, when I get $200, it will enough for me for these requirements that are needed here or that we left. So guys, we shall meet on tomorrow's videos. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support. I really appreciate, and my God bless you. Look where I'm standing, guys. Hey, this is my mom's house. You know, by the way, I'm not the guy who going to pump champagne, you know, like minding luxury things like car, you know, going to the city, staying there, you know. Me, all the money that I get, I spend here. And guys, these are pure hard working. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye bye. In other way, they said, you know, look, guys, ciao ciao.